Shelby tells me we have a bad connection, so we are recording this, and if you wanted to watch it like after it airs, that way you don't have any of the lagging going on, hopefully. But we're going to try and make our way through this.
That's how it's supposed to work.
I know. I am Krissy with the Windswept Cowboy, and of course Shelby here manning all of the cameras today.
I'm trying
I
to.
know. We are filming some stuff for YouTube, so if you don't know, we have a YouTube channel also, and we have different stuff over there. So if you're curious, please go check us out. We are the Windswept Cowboy on YouTube. And if you can see behind me, you see those shelves that are right there flanking my sink. That is the latest video. I showed you how I did those. So go check us out over there. But first thing we're gonna do, I don't even know. What are we doing today?
I don't know what you're doing.
I went to my garage and I found a scrap piece of wood. I have done nothing to this wood. I have not cut it. I have not sanded it, stained it, or anything. It's just pallet wood that I found, and it's full of character. And I decided just to leave it because I want to put the word cozy on it for winter. And I can use this maybe through Valentine's Day because instead of the O, I'm going to add a heart. So I can kind of keep it up a little bit longer in my decor. And of course, I purchased the C, the Z, and the Y at Walmart in like their wood area. And they were already painted, already distressed, and they're kind of like a particle board wood, so they're pretty sturdy and they're thick. So to try to mimic the thickness, I actually have two hearts here. So I'm going to put them together, and I'm going to do something special to the heart.
Very special.
Yes. How is our connection?
It's better than it was.
Okay, good. I'm just using, glue.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Yeah, it's not quite down enough, so it was just sitting there. All right, so I'm going to work kind of quickly, and this will probably leave a little bit extra gap, but that will be fine.
Yes, you want it to be thick.
Yes, I do. All right. Of course, I didn't line those up very good. I put the wrong sides together.
Oh, no.
It'll be okay. I'm covering it up. So I've got my little heart here, and let me show you what we're going to do to the heart.
Hi, Julie. Thank you for joining us.
Oh, hi, Julie. Oh, thank you so much for sprinkling. I appreciate it. That means
Loving.
the other S word.
Oh, okay.
Without actually saying it, you know, for the
Yes.
algorithm stuff. Yeah,
Yes.
it's lovely.
Oh, okay.
You have to play the game, right?
I never knew what that meant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So I'm going to cover the heart in this green plaid. And I think this is going to be super cute, like with the white letters on this grayish wood. So I'm just going to trace around my heart.
Welcome, Marianne. Thank you for joining us.
Oh, hey, Marianne.
Very excited to see how this turns out, Mom.
I am too, because I haven't made one like this before. So we're making it together. How's that?
Yes. You gotta try new stuff every once in a while.
That's right. So I'm just going to cut out my heart. And I traced it on the back side so I could see my pencil because it's white back here.
Oh, thank you, Julie. She said, hi, I sure enjoy your videos.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, we love that.
Yes, it really means so much to us. You guys are the best, truly.
Seriously.
We have the best people on here. And it really warms my heart when you comment on each other's posts. You know, each other's comments. I'm like, oh, that is so sweet.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So I'm trying my best to do a good job. It's like kindergarten.
Yes. You need your safety scissors?
Yes. Yes, I do. All right, so before I'm going to Mod Podge this onto the heart, but I'm going to take a Sharpie and like color the sides black so they kind of recede and you don't see that like raw wood there. And let's see how good we are about finding a good Sharpie.
Uh-oh. Yeah, for real.
Yeah, they're kind of scarce at my house.
Worst case scenario, I can run and grab you some chalk paint.
Yeah, you could definitely, and it might have even been quicker to paint it.
Oh well. Sometimes you gotta do things the hard way to appreciate the easy way.
Yeah. Well, and how do you know what works best, right?
Yeah, totally. We're just trying to make all the mistakes so that you guys don't have to.
Yeah. It's probably more entertaining when we make mistakes.
Right. I mean, maybe not for us.
Yeah.
But
We just have to laugh at ourselves, that's all.
we've made a lot of mistakes today.
Have we?
Yeah.
I try to forget. I have no idea.
Well, we're in the middle of a couple different projects that we're super pumped to finish so that we can share them.
And this definitely doesn't have to be perfect. You just want it to recede.
Yes.
And hopefully you're hearing me okay. We're still using this mic because our good one broke a couple weeks ago. Well, actually,
It's been a few months.
it's been like
actually.
last month. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we tried to fix it, just couldn't figure out what's wrong. I ended up ordering another one, which will be here tomorrow, right?
Of course, conveniently tomorrow. But then we can get back to our better audio. That way you guys
Yes.
can hear me better.
Yeah,
again.
Shelby's kind of at a distance, so
And also, then you won't be tethered.
that kind of is a problem. It's competing with this. So,
Too many cords.
yep. So I'm going to use a little bit of Mod Podge.
Well, hey Jenny, thank you for joining us.
Hi, Jenny. And I'm just going to Mod Podge my little scrapbook paper onto my heart.
Your little scrapbook heart.
Yep. I'm going to keep it thin. That way I don't get like the bumps and stuff.
Oh, right. No lumpy hearts for us.
Nope. And I don't want it to rip either, so
Oh, yeah, good idea.
I'm just going to lay that down. Hopefully you guys can see okay.
I think so. I guess that's my job. Yeah.
Okay.
Like, yeah, I mean, I can see just
You
fine.
can
Oh,
see fine.
yeah.
Good job, Shelby. Thank you.
I'm not looking at you through the camera, though.
All right, I'm going to take a little bit of Mod Podge and go over it. I'm using the matte Mod Podge, but you could use like the glossy or whatever look you want.
Yes. I don't know, I feel like the matte is a little more cozy.
Yeah. And you could even put like sweater material on this,
Oh, that would be cute.
different ribbons lined up around it.
I like it. I like the ideas.
Yeah.
I think this is going to be so cute. Because I don't know if y'all have noticed, but it's kind of hard to find winter decor that's not Christmassy.
Yes, that is a struggle because I was over Christmas decor.
Yeah. We started Christmasing. I like it. We're
Sure,
rolling with it.
that's a verb, right?
We started Christmasing back in October, so come Christmas we were done.
Yes.
Oh, Jenny, what is the weather like there or here? So windy.
Oh.
What was it? A gust of 50 mile an hour?
Yeah, 52. And it could even be worse now. It's horrible. We still have snow drifts.
That's why our signal is not that great because the wind is messing with it. But I did put a comment, so hopefully you guys can see it. If we miss any part because we lose or get some poor signal, this whole video is getting recorded. So the non-laggy, non-skippy video will be going up later. What's the weather like where you're at in Ohio?
All right. I just sealed down the edges. I had to think about what I was doing there. All right. Back to the sign. I'm going to go ahead and do around the outside in this gray and white, I guess gingham, buffalo check, whatever you want to call it.
Plaid.
Yeah, plaid. It's super cute. I found this at Hobby Lobby and it is 3/8 inch wide.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm obviously, are we lagging?
Yeah.
Aw.
We are at 0 frames per
No.
Oh, now we're at 2. Oh no, now we're back down to 0. So if you're watching this in the recorded version, that's good because on Facebook Live right now, they don't have any live video.
Oh, goodness.
Oh no.
And
Okay.
it's not coming back.
Maybe. Maybe are we back? Can you guys hear us? Can you see us? Comment if you can see us.
I know. Internet. You love it and you hate it, right?
Right.
So
I really do blame the wind though.
our weather, we get our signal from like the mountain. So if it's super cloudy,
Oh yeah, waiting for live video again. They don't have feed.
uh,
Okay, maybe it's back. Thank you guys who are sticking with us because the struggle is real today.
like every day.
I know, actually. Oh, I guess it is cold and cloudy, but it's going to warm up in Ohio.
Oh, yay.
Good. I want to say the same for us, but I don't know if we'll get that lucky.
I know. You know, January has not been horrible. It could be
Not
colder.
Yet. Not yet.
It's just so windy. It's like windy every single day, 50 miles an hour, and I'm like totally not exaggerating.
Yeah. I feel like last January out here, it wasn't too bad. It was February,
Through
March,
June.
April, May, June. And we're
Yes.
like, what the heck is happening?
We had, yeah, it snowed into June. We weren't fans.
No. Yeah, it snowed on the first day of summer.
It did.
That was
It truly
really rude
did.
and uncalled for, and I'm still upset about it. I'm not gonna lie.
So all I'm doing is taking the ribbon and going around the outside perimeter of the piece of wood.
Oh, that looks cute.
I'm not going to do like the jaggedy parts. I'm just going to leave that, but I will do like all of the flat parts that I can.
The easy parts.
Yes.
No, it's looking good. I just hope everyone else can see it.
And hopefully nobody had any really bad weather or damage from the storms from this weekend.
Oh my god.
Because those were horrible.
Yeah. Scary. All we had was wind.
Yep, that's...
So
We
nothing-
actually haven't had a lot of snow recently. We're some wood to knock
Yeah,
off.
why would you say that? We're getting a snowstorm this weekend. Don't jinx us.
Possibly. It's not showing a lot. I don't mind a little bit here and there. But, I mean, we do live in Wyoming. What are you going to do?
It's after Christmas. No snow.
I know. Who's ready for summer when Christmas ends?
Yes.
It's like, all right, done with Christmas, done with the cold. Where's summer?
I'm ready for my beach.
All right.
Yeah, looking good.
Yeah, I just have that little end there to do.
Oh, okay.
And I'm going to cut that at an angle for that. And here you can see the backside.
Yep. It's just a scrap piece of wood.
It truly is.
But this is actually pretty easy.
Yeah, I'm kind of enjoying it.
It's nice to do something a little simple
Yeah.
when you're live.
And I'm just kind of following the angle of the wood for my cuts.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jenny's ready for summer.
So there we are.
Cute.
With that, it's going to go like that. So I've done all of the outside. So from an angle, it'll still look good.
Yay.
All right, I think the letters are next.
Yeah,
We
we're
are-
on the whole stretch.
We are.
Which is good because our video is lagging really bad again.
Oh no. So I'm just measuring to try to figure out my center, and it doesn't have to be perfect at all. It would be 9 and about 9 1/4. I'm just going to draw like a little mark. And pretty much I'm going to eyeball this.
Nice. That's so cute. Hopefully you guys can see it.
I'm kind of just making sure. I know the wind is hitting my house. We can hear it.
We can hear it. I don't know if it'll pick up on the microphone, but it's pretty large and in charge out there. No, I don't want to have to drive home in it. It always blows my car across the road a little bit.
All right, I'm just gonna hot glue these guys down.
Wing it, do it. This would be really cute, like, if you did your name.
It would be cute. Oh yeah, and then you could find a letter or a shape that kind of changes a letter.
That'd be a really cute, like, gift for someone. Ideas.
Ideas? We like ideas.
Yeah. We need more. If anyone has any more ideas, please share them with us. We've been doing this long enough now that we're like, wait a sec. Should we do that, or have we done that too many times?
Yeah.
What can we do that's new and exciting? What do you think?
I like it.
Nice. Oh, yay. What do you guys think? I don't know if anyone can even watch us right now.
I know. That's so simple.
Yeah.
And you can take any word that you wanted. You could do, like, for Valentine's Day, obviously love. We're still rocking winter. So I kind of wanted something that took me through winter into Valentine's Day. You could do different colors.
Yeah. Last name.
Oh, like we're 307, our area code.
Oh,
you could do
nice.
like your zip code or your area code, whatever you guys, like your area that you live in. Usually people come up with some sort of like nickname or number, something. That would be super cute, right?
Yeah. Casper. Wyoming.
Oh, wow. Well, 307
I like
is what,
307 though.
yeah. That's a lot of Wyoming. Well, actually, all of Wyoming. The area code is 307. So that's what we refer to ourselves as. So, all right. Super cute. To recap, just a piece of scrap wood. These white letters I got at Walmart in their wood area. And then I had the hearts, but I believe I got them at Hobby Lobby in their wood area. And I used 2 of them because they were super thin. And these letters were kind of fat, so I wanted them similar in the raising factor.
Whatever.
Yep, scrapbook paper that matches your decor, and then same with the ribbon on the outside. It's just gray ribbon, and there you have it. And I'm just gonna set this out, maybe near my fireplace. That would be kind of cute,
yes,
right?
I like that idea.
Blankets, you could set it in a blanket basket. Just some ideas thrown out there going forward.
All right.
Well, thank you guys so much. I know this video is very choppy, and hopefully the next week's will be better and we'll have good weather. So fingers crossed.
Yes.
Thank you all so much for taking time out of your day and joining us. You go and have a great day, and happy crafting.